Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a video presentation using PowerPoint, and of course I'll also show you how to save the video as MP4 file, which you can share on YouTube or Facebook, or of course any other social media handle that you may have. To get started, all I need to do is click on slideshow, record slideshow, and I'll have to decide if I want to start from the beginning or from the current slide. So I would like to start from the beginning. So I'm going to click from the beginning. So once I've done that, you can see that my recording have started here. Here you can see that I have my video is showing there. If I don't want this video, I can turn it off from here. But if I want it, I'm just going to leave it on, and the video is showing there. Here I have a laser pointer I can use to make reference to any particular information I want to show to my audience. I also have different colored ink I can use here to make markings on my design, as I'm going to show you in a minute. Now, to get started, to start the actual presentation, I'm just going to click on Start here. So I click on Start Recording. But before I do that, notice that I have this information here. The information here is just simply notes I might want to refer to while making my presentation. These notes will not show in the presentation when I convert it to MP4. It's just there to guide me if there's something I need to recall while presenting. So let's get started. We click on Start Recording. The countdown is there, and then we are on. So thank you for joining this session. I'm here to show you how to make video presentation using PowerPoint, and of course save the video as MP4 file. You can see here that I'll be going through some bullet points. So this is the first point, and that is the second point. Now I'm going to move on to the next slide. Again, on the next slide, I can make some markings. So let's say I want to use the green line to tick this point. I can use the yellow line to circle this point. Just make markings on the slide. If I decide to go back to slide 1, you can do that my next slide. Anything you do at all will be captured in your presentation. So at this point, I'll assume I've finished my presentation. I'm not going to stop recording. So when I stop recording, you realize that the markings will remain on the slide. Now I can make changes by just simply closing this window and making any changes I want to make on this slide. For example, I have my first slide, my second slide, having videos recordings on them. If I decide I don't want to keep the image on the first video, I can delete it. Or on the second, let's say I want to have my image just on the first. I'll click on the second slide and click on the image and delete the image. It won't show. The first slide image is there, the second one is gone. All the markings I have done in my presentations are retained. None of them is being lost. So the next thing I need to do is to export this file to MP4. I'm going to click on File, Export, and I'm going to say Create a video. I can choose the size of the video. I'm going to leave it as Full HD, which is the default. I'm going to say Create Video. Then I'll decide my destination. I'm going to leave it at my desktop. I'll say Export. So once you click Export, the exporting will start. If you look at the bottom here, you'll find a progress report on how much percentage of the export has been done. So we just give it a minute or so, and it will be informed when it is fully exported. Then we can go and check the information from the destination folder, which in my own case is the desktop. So let's just give it a minute for it to completely export. Now you can see video exported successfully. So that's all done for me. That is so. Once that is done, I can now go and check my export. So all I need to do now is I can save this. If I want it to be saved, I can just save that video, and then I can close this if I want, or I can just minimize it. Whatever I decide to do. For now, I'm just going to minimize it. I don't need it no more. So here, if I go to my desktop, I can see that the video is there. I can play the video. So, so you can see that the video is playing, actually showing you everything I have done. Will actually okay. So guys, I'm just going to pause this video here. No need showing all of it. So you can see how you can easily record your videos, and you can now share this video on YouTube or any other social media handle that you have. Again, can I also encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already? Good luck, and I'll see you when I present my next video. Thanks and bye for now.